Food forestry differs from the backyard gardening that we learned in the USA in the past. Then, in the age of chemical products for sale on TV, we learned to purchase products designed to kill our perceived enemies, the weeds and pests, which we fought year after year as we started over with a new garden every spring and ended with our fall harvest. This back-breaking gardening style involved tilling, killing, and billing. You had to attack the soil, kill the weeds, and pay the bills to the stores for the supplies you purchased. When you walk into a wild forest, you soon realize that something is different. And what is that difference? No human workers are in there working their day jobs. No one is planting new plants, fertilizing, watering, plowing, tilling, spraying, or trying to control the wildlife. No one is doing any jobs to make the food forest grow.